Hello and welcome to another episode of the Inside Out Career Design Podcast. I'm Nicola and I'm here with Peter. And we're excited to share with you how to replace your limiting beliefs fast. Because if you change your beliefs, you can change your world.
Oh, sure. Come on, this is just some spammy clickbait mumbo jumbo crap.
Well, still, I wondered, what if it wasn't? We have friends we respect that insist limiting beliefs will keep you from reaching your goals. So I couldn't stop chewing on this limiting belief thing. It started to keep me up at night.
I have limiting beliefs for sure, and they've held me back from reaching my goals that I've had. They've even caused me to turn down some incredible opportunities in my life. Opportunities, I'm sad to say, that I haven't pursued. But I want proof. I want proof that limiting beliefs can be changed. So tell me how. And I don't mean clicking my heels and standing in front of the mirror and doing a Stuart Smalley, and I'm good enough, I'm smart enough, and doggone it, people like me. Give me proof.
The whole idea of changing limiting beliefs is so murky, shrouded in mystery, until now. Finally, neuroscience figured it out. Neuroscience proved it's possible. Neuroscience shows us the actual process how limiting beliefs are formed and how they can be changed.
Oh, wow. Wow, so there is a way, there's a solution, a process to replace limiting beliefs with empowering ones. Come on, this is driving me crazy. Tell me how.
Sure, here it is. The answer lies in a specific part of the brain. It has a tongue-whistling, mind-bending, hard-to-remember name, the Reticular Activating System.
Boy, that's a mouthful. Hey, who comes up with these names, for crying out loud? Yikes.
Okay, let's settle on something easy to remember. The RAS for
Reticular Activating System.
Exactly. So pay attention here. You're going to have to think a little, but boy, is it worth it. First, we need to understand what the RAS is and how it operates. The RAS is a pencil-shaped part of the brain, located near the brain stem. It acts as a filter for all the millions of bits of information our ears, eyes, and skin are bombarded with all day long.
I can imagine if there were no filters, we would probably go insane with all the stimulus that's coming in. My question is, what does it filter?
The things that are important to you. This clever bit of your brain helps you see what you like to see, and then it influences your actions and beliefs. That's called confirmation bias, which means we look for proof, real or not, to confirm what we believe, including limiting beliefs. Think of the RAS as a spotlight that only shines on the things that are important to you, positive or negative.
Positive, of course. So I see your limiting beliefs are a result of the negative messages that have been planted in your mind. So when the RAS shines a spotlight on those negative messages, it amplifies them, making them stronger and stronger, and turns those into limiting beliefs. Then those limiting beliefs affect your actions, which in turn affects the results you want in life. Mm-hmm. They actually create your reality.
Exactly.
That's crazy. And that's what Henry Ford meant when he said, if you think you can, you can. And if you think you can't, you can't.
Exactly. And the process goes like this. The RAS lets a belief through the filter. It could be a negative or positive belief. The belief gets transmitted to the conscious mind, which then transmits it to the unconscious mind. And the unconscious mind goes to work to bring that belief into reality through your actions and attitudes.
This is why critical self-talk is so damaging, because the unconscious mind gets the critical self-talk messages, and then it goes to work to bring into reality that lousy self-talk.
You got it.
Don't you think this is exciting to know? This is what neuroscience has proven.
Yep.
Wow.
This is exactly where limiting beliefs come from and why they can be replaced with empowering beliefs.
Well, sign me up. Now, Nicola, what is a person to do about those pesky limiting beliefs?
You need to plant new seeds or beliefs in your mind. How? With the power of language to start. Remember, you want to get the right messages to the unconscious mind so it can go to work with empowering beliefs, which in turn change your actions, which change your results.
Amazing.
There are 2 words to get you started. The first is try, except it's the wrong word. What try really means is you're going to fail. I'll try and make it on Saturday to help you move the couch.
Oh, yeah, right. Well, that's not going to happen.
So throw try out and say do. I'll be there at 11 a.m. to move the couch. I'm doing it. You know, Yoda was right when he said, Luke, don't try, do.
And the next word is hope, except it's the wrong word. Hope is filled with doubt. Think about it. We don't want the unconscious mind getting messages of doubt. So when the the RAS shines the spotlight, we want it shining on an amazing, empowering word, intend. I intend to be successful. I intend to achieve this goal. I intend to change my limiting beliefs. Intend, intend, intend. This is the message you want your unconscious mind to work on.
Mm-hmm. We teach these principles and so much more in our Figure Out What's Next program. To find out more, join us for one of our live online workshops where we teach how to successfully reinvent your career in midlife. To save your spot in our next workshop, go to Whatsnext.com/workshops. We'll see you there or for another episode here.
Thanks for joining us today. For show notes, go to Whatsnext.com/35, where we share links and other relevant information. And leave us a comment, a question, or a topic that you'd like us to explore in a future episode. We'd love to hear from you.